County in Northern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vina, or near Corning, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chico, Corning, Tehama, Vina, Richardson, Springs, and Los Molinos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte and Tehama. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Butte County in Northern California, Southeastern Glenn County in Central California until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Butte, or near Willows, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail has been reported with this storm near Willows. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Willows, Glen, Artois, Butte, Butte City, Todor, and Orland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte and Glen. You are listening.